the Super Bowl is approaching once more. It's that time of the year most Americans look forward to and the rest of the world could not care less about. I personally sit somewhere in the middle. I don't really care about the game, but I do care deeply about the food. Nevertheless, the Super Bowl is the reason I know of today's recipe. Well, that and How I Met Your Mother.
Hello, my name is Ted Mosby. I'm here to pick up my hot wings.
If you're looking for a slightly healthier alternative to traditional buffalo wings for this year's game night, or honestly for any night where you want wings without deep frying your entire kitchen, you've come to the right place. Welcome to My Mom Can Cook Baked Buffalo Wings. First things first, we're dealing with the chicken wings, specifically the wingtips. The wingtip has very little meat on it, and if we leave it attached, all it's gonna do is soak up sauce and burn in the oven. So, off it goes. Now, do not throw these away, they're excellent for making chicken stock and they freeze really well. Next, we measure out 90 grams of flour into a bowl. And you might be saying 90, but the ingredient list says 45. Yeah, we might have gone a little bit overboard. At least you can learn from our mistakes. Mum adds the chili powder, paprika and salt to the flour and mixes until everything is combined. Now comes the dredging. Each wing goes into the flour mixture, gets coated on all sides and then straight onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Once all the wings are coated, they go into the fridge for at least 1 hour. This step is very important and it's also the step most people are tempted to skip. Resting the wings in the fridge helps the flour hydrate and stick properly to the chicken. It also dries the surface slightly, which means crispier wings later. So yes, it's annoying, but it's worth it. In the meantime, we can make the so-called buffalo sauce. Melt the butter, add it to the hot sauce, and mix. Simple as. And thanks to my mom's initiative, we're also making a homemade garlic sauce by combining 1 clove of garlic with equal parts mayo and yogurt. 2 tablespoons of each, plus a pinch of salt. After an hour, the wings come out of the fridge. Mum sets them down and proceeds to drench them in the sauce one by one. Once fully coated, they go into the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. After that, we flip them, put them back in for another 25, and once they're out, listen to my mum complain about how oily they look.
Ще слагам масло в това. Тази рецепта не трябва да се слага масло. Трябва да се слага само летивия сос. Те самите крила са мазни и леко остарят.
Как по-мазни?
Плува олио. Ми мазни са си. Плува олио.
Spoiler alert, she loved them later. Traditionally, buffalo wings are served with celery and ranch. We went in a different direction and paired ours with garlic sauce and mash. No matter what sides you choose, the wings will always be delicious. Overall, these are perfect for game night, movie night, or just any excuse to eat wings without deep frying. And on that note, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a bit.